Okay, so we're making the owl's wings, and the first thing it says to do is to chain 6. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we're going to slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. So there's 1 and then 2. So that's the one right there that we're going to slip stitch into. So we're just going to go right in the top and slip stitch right into that first one. Then in the next 2 stitches we're going to single crochet, so 1 and 2. So we're going to single crochet in 2 of those. 1 and 2. The next stitch we're going to do a half double, the HDC. So we're going to yarn over, put your hook in, bring up a loop, yarn over, and then bring it through all 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. So that's your HDC. Now in the last chain we're going to do 3 DCs. The pattern says 3 DC all together, so that goes in this last chain right there. So we're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 1. Okay, that was a DC. We're going to do that 2 more times in the same chain. So we're going to do, there's our second one, and then here's our third one. What ends up happening here is that it kind of stretches out that last one, so just kind of give that a tug to bring it back up again. Now we're going to rotate our work. So we're not going to flip it over, we're just going to rotate it around about 90 degrees. Then we're going to work on the other side of the foundation chain. So now we're going to work in these loops right here. So the first one we're going to work into is the one just opposite. So it's a little bit squished right now, but it's right there, right on the opposite side of that one, and we're going to put 3 DCs, double crochets, in that little loop right there. So we're going to just slide that right in there. Right in there. I'm going to do 3 DCs. Double crochets. 1. Find that same loop. Oops, got that one stuck. 2. And 3. Okay, so that's all in the loop afterwards. I have a little snag there, but we'll just ignore that for now. Now we're going to HDC, so that'll be in the next loop. A half double, yarn over, pull through all 3. Then we're going to do 2 SCs, single crochets, 1, and then the next loop we're going to do 2. And then we're going to slip stitch in the last one. Okay, and the very last one it says to slip stitch in, let me see, how did I word that? Slip stitch in the back loop of the first slip stitch on the other side. So that's the first slip stitch we made when we started the whole thing. So that'd be right over here on the other side. And that's just to kind of make a point at the end. We want our wing to be pointy, so we just go right into there. We do one last slip stitch, pull it through. Then what I'll do is I'll just clip this end, I'll pull it all the way through, and then I'll be able to attach the wing to the owl. And that is your owl wing. Hope that helped.